Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant VAN-81 connection error message. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first up, check your date and time right here at the bottom right. Right click on adjust date and time. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, enable location settings right here. Okay, enable it and enable this one as well. Now you got to go back. Now set time zone automatically enabled into set time automatically enabled. Click on accept right here, there will be a pop-up. And once done, scroll down and click on sync now. All right, just wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and close it and find CMD. Click on run as administrator. There you go. Click on yes. Now type down in here SC delete VGC. Hit on enter. SC delete VGK. Hit on enter. And once that's done, just move it away. Do not close it yet. Find your start menu, right click on it and click on installed apps. And just got to find Vanguard. Okay. Click on three dots, uninstall it, uninstall. Yes, right here. Yes. And just wait for it to disappear. Okay. Once that's done, close this one. Now go ahead and type down ipconfig space / flush DNS. Hit on enter. Net sh space winsock space reset. Enter. Net sh space int space IP space reset. Enter. Close this one. Open up Riot client. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, it will ask you to update the game. So just go ahead and do so. Update it right here. And then once it's done, it will ask you to restart your computer. Okay? Just go ahead and restart your computer. And once that's done, play Valorant and everything should work perfectly fine. Now, that is it. That is how you fix Valorant VAN-81 connection error message. That this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.